welcome back to Royal Appleberry. I am Kenny the Messy Soaper. For those of you who do not know me, thank you for tuning in and watching my channel. I hope that you do enjoy it enough to want to subscribe. That would be awesome to have you as part of my stinking awesome crew. That is my subscribers, because you guys are just that. So today I am doing another soap with impression mat. Go ahead and mix that up. And okay, I have ideas. First, my problem was I didn't have any ideas, but loads of fragrances. Now, I got ideas, but I can't decide which fucking fragrance to use. That's so annoying. So it took me about 4 days to come up with a fragrance that I really wanted to use that would fit this. So, this one has notes of floral, coconut, and musk. And let me tell you, it's fantastic. It really is. I just put a hair in each one of these, and the rest will go on the main base. Yeah, this fragrance is, I didn't know if I wanted it to be like a cool wintry fragrance, or if I wanted it to be like something very pretty. And I think this is going to be a pretty soap. The colors on this are going to be light blue, gold, and white, as you can see. The accent colors. I haven't put my light blue in yet, which I'm going to do that in a second. So, I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm doing here. And then, it's kind of milky looking in it. I'm going to go ahead and add my, my colorant now, which is Almost Ice Mica by Rustic Escentuals. I cannot find, I'll have to use this little tiny spoon. That just might do it. Alright. And I'm using the same method as my cat's pajamas. The impression mat that I use for that. I think it's going to be pretty cool looking. And I'm going to put a little TD in this just to lighten it. Or maybe I won't. No, I do think I want it a little bit lighter. Oh, and I'm also going to do it in the pot swirl with these two colors here. So, this soap is going to be pretty, but it's going to be pretty simple for me to make. And I know it seems like I should have just used less blue, but when you add white to the Almost Ice Mica, it turns out a really cool color. Okay, so now that I have my color mixed in, I don't know if I love this. It's almost like a teal, but I think it's going to turn out nice, so I'm going to stop complaining. Normally I can get it like this really almost electric light blue, if that makes any sense, but I don't want to keep mixing too much, because then it'll thicken off, and then I'll be mad, you know? Okay, so I'm going to start up high with this one. And just give it one more stir. Just make sure I got all that fragrance mixed in well. And then we're going to pour it from up high. Like I said, I just really want accent colors. Just when I think I'm on top of things, I'm really not. I did empty my memory card. No. I put it in a new battery. And I was just like, yeah, I'm going to make sure that nothing goes wrong or I have to change in the middle of my soap making. But, as you can see, yeah, I didn't remember to empty my memory card. So there's that. But you didn't miss anything. I was just pouring in my gold. Now I'm pouring in my white. I'm probably all up in your face. Sorry about that. So I'm not going to save any white for the top of this soap. I am going to save some gold. Oh, and today is the first day of fall. So happy fall, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to do this. And some of that, and some of that, and then that's good enough. And hopefully we come out with some really cool swirls. You know. Hopefully I know. Okay, so go ahead, stop sticking my finger in there. And let me see. I can grab this chopstick and push those to the side and Yesterday, Gabe and I went to one of our friends' weddings. It was beautiful. Really, really nice. And they had it at a the African Museum, so it was just absolutely beautiful. Oh, love. Alright, let me see if I can get this in here properly. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be nice. I was a little concerned at first, but now I think it's going to be pretty. As you can see, well, that fell in there pretty good. It was setting up pretty well on the bottom of the mold. I mean, of the bowl, should I say. So, this is actually a wee bit more that needs to go in this mold. But, I'm not sure if I want to do a low top or not. That's what I'm trying to say. So, probably not. I'm going to make it high just like I do everything else, right? Right. So, you're going to clean up the sides. I'm going to smack this down, and then I'll bring you guys back when I am able to texture the top, because it is still a bit runny. Although it looks like that, it was only set up on the bottom and not on the top. So, be back, guys. Alright, so I got the remainder of that on. And now I'm going to put the remainder of this on. And I'm not going to put it all, just in case I don't like the way it looks when I start to swirl it. You know? And then I'll have some left. I do want to mostly, well, not mostly gold top, but I want a lot of gold on the top, you know? So, that's what we're doing. This smells fan-boogantastic. Oh my goodness gracious. It smells so good. I'm a big fan of this fragrance. And what's crazy is I've used this before. I just don't remember what soap it was. So, but whole new look, whole new soap. So, I don't know. Because this gold is quite runny, while the blue is starting to set up. So, I gotta work with these two different textures. I'm just really trying to get this settled in on the top pretty good before I do any texturing. So, of course, this is not the way it's gonna look. Man, yeah, today is the first day of fall, and it feels like it. It's pretty cold out there. Well, it's not really cold. It's just like very windy. And last night it was quite cool, but it was great for sleeping, so there's no complaints from me. But I woke up this morning freezing my hair off. It was quite cold. But, so I think I'm happy with the way that's looking. I'm going to leave that gold, the glow splotches right on top because I like it. But what I will do is clean up these sides so it'll look a little bit more appealing. Hope you guys are having a fan-fugantastic day. I'm just, it's one of those days, guys, where I can't seem to get started. I'm making myself do it. Although it's just like, woo! And here's what's weird, and let me know in the comment section below if I'm the only person this happens to. If I don't wake up on my own, or say, like, buy an alarm clock, because alarm clock is the norm for me, you know, like, suppose if something scares me awake, or I'm awakened abruptly, I get a massive headache, and it stays all day. So, my boy cat decided to scare the bejesus out of me this morning, and now I've had a headache all day, and I think that's why I can't really get going, you know what I mean? When your head hurts, and then this is one of those headaches that no matter what you take for it, it's not going anywhere till it decides it wants to leave, so that's fun. But yeah, so that's why I've just been kind of lagging around and trying my best to get my butt in gear. I know I keep messing with this, guys, so if you're new, this is what I do. I have to keep messing with it until it feels right, and it's starting to feel right. You know, it just has to feel right. You know what I mean? I'm not going to do anything. Guys, I'm back with the cutting of this beautiful soap. Don't have a name for it yet. It'll come to me, I'm sure. It's been sitting out of the mold for a couple of days. I said it would be a week, but I think the weather's been pretty decent. Excuse my dry hands, I've been rolling soap balls, but here is the reveal of what it looks like on the sides. I really do like this, and it smells absolutely fantastic. There's the top. It has a bit of ash, but that's nothing that can't be steamed off or washed off. So, and there's the other side. So, feels really nice. I really do like this soap a lot. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it to see what we got on the inside. I'm going to knock that off the end so I don't make any drag marks. Oh, that smells great. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. So I was really expecting this to be blue, but it turned green, and I'm okay with that. I think I like the green better, so this works out fine. But I'm going to turn the rest on the side just because I don't need any drag marks, and I'm not going to knock the rest of the salt off because what would be the purpose of putting it on, you know? So hopefully the spacing on these are good. And I wanted the white and the gold to be faint, and it's exactly that. And I know it's going to look really, really nice once it gets a little bit air to it and the color really pops. You guys are doing fantastic. I am. It is actually pretty nice outside. These will be ready on the, I don't remember when I made this, the 23rd or 25th of October. Probably is past that already. But yeah, that's when you can find these in store. There you have the sides. I really like this a lot. Very, very pretty. So, it's kind of like a cat's pajama type, but of course it's not. But I am very, very happy with the way it looks. And hopefully, like I said, my spacing stays good where I'm not cutting any of my little dots. I think I'm doing good so far. I'm not going to trim the edges on these. I never do, just because I don't want to mess with the dots. But isn't that great? I just love that. That's really, really pretty. I know I keep saying, but I do. And it smells fantastic, like for real. So I noticed like each one I'll get 3 and then I'll get 2 rows of dots. Oh, I love that little faint gold and white. That is so pretty. Can you guys see that? I don't know how well the camera's going to focus on that, but I think it's lovely. And there's the top. They're kind of tall, but of course they're going to shrink some. You know, again, I forgot to take a picture for Instagram. Hold on. I swear, I try to do better. I always forget to take pictures for Instagram. That's really annoying because I'm really trying to focus on keeping up with my Instagram, but I do forget. So, of course, towards the middle, you're always going to get more white. And I like that it's mostly down at the bottom. Oh, that's the back. Okay, that's really pretty, but I meant to cut the back off because I turned it around because this was better side for Instagram, but well, it'll get sold just like that. Oh, wow. Oh, no. So I am going to turn this back around because now I'm cutting my dots. I didn't really want to cut my dots. But I am. So we're going to flip that back around to the other side where things are nice and even. Oh, this is so beautiful. This fragrance and the soap. Wow, that smells great. Like I said, I made this fragrance before. I just can't remember what soap it was. Okay. See how pretty? I know I keep saying pretty. Sorry. I really do like this a lot. It's very nice. Alrighty, there you have it. I do enjoy making these soaps, although they can be very time consuming. I do like making them. No joke. Because it's just the outcome. The outcome is always very nice. It's a very nice surprise. I guess I'm going to cut my dots regardless. Just because of the bad lineup. But yeah, I do really, really like making very detailed soaps. But they are extremely time consuming. That is for sure. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. So there you have it. And there's the sides. top. How many did I get out of this? Because I only got one back. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I still got 11. I always get 11. I don't know why I always feel like, oh, I'm going to get an extra one. With that back, it's pretty too. So if you do like these, guys, please be sure to give it a thumbs up for all of my hard work. It's greatly appreciated. Alright, guys. So, and if you're new to my channel, hello. I'm so fucking happy you found me. I think I already said all that. I can't remember. It's been a while. But, please hit that subscribe button to become a part of my SAC, which is my Stinking Awesome crew. I would love to have you as part of my Stinking Awesome crew. Those of you who are always here, you know I love you. I do. And you guys are looking at absolutely nothing. I was just cleaning off my table. Alright, so love, hugs, and kisses. Be awesome, amazing, everything you do. And I'll see you in the next making video. Bye.